What's up, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. All right, man, as you can see, I'm about to go ahead and do the water trick for the first time that I ever tried to attempt this. So I got 100 cups, styrofoam cups of recycling cups, and I got some water, and then I got some more water in the car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and place all the cups along the trunk, and then I'm gonna let the base hit hard and see how fast it can knock off all the cups. So, like I said, man, this is my first time attempting this, and this is on a Rockford Fosgate T213 on a Rockford Fosgate T2500 BD. I'm pushing at least about 22,800 RMS to the sub, between 2,008 and 3,000. So, I'm going ahead and give you guys a little walkthrough of the car real quick. You know, it's just a 2016 Honda Accord Sport. You know, I always loved these cars. Always did. Always will. So, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a few flex demos real quick before I put the water on there. So this song is going to be, let's go ahead and see real quick. Go ahead and unlock this bad boy. Let's see, what song am I gonna do? So it's gonna be Me and Duty Low. Do you wanna know what song this is? Me and Duty Low. Giving you flexes from all different angles. ATM.
stacks of phenol on me. Hate to serve your little old lady, but granny keep calling me. And it's I ain't intention for who follow me. And it's crazy like a county, ain't no niggas follow me. I just saw it from London in the trap, my life is up.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and gave you guys a little demo, flex demo from some angles. So let's go ahead and get ready to place all this cups of water on the trunk and see how this thing can blow this thing off. Damn, oh gosh, ooh wee. Boy, I'm telling you, this thing sexy, boy. I love the way this thing hit. Ooh wee. Alright you guys, so right now I have literally 60 cups of water. So this weighs about pretty much, when I did it, I think this is about 50 pounds, 60 pounds on the trunk lid. So I'm about to see how quick this base can knock all of this off, even though it took me like 3 decades, but this video's for you guys. So let's go ahead and see what it's gonna do. So what I'm pretty much gonna do is I'm gonna do a straight base on, because there's no way this thing is gonna last. You know what I mean? Like, if you guys can see the water, the wind is blowing and all of this, so had to be patient. But so the song I'm gonna use right now is Me and Duty Low. Right now the wind is blowing, so I'm about to go ahead and hit this bass for you guys. But this is for you guys, so I gotta go ahead and clean up all of these water cups. Just want to go ahead and show you guys that. So hopefully you guys did like this video, man. I post every week, so if you don't want to miss anything, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads, because I'm not done with this vehicle. Once I'm done with this vehicle, man, I'm gonna go ahead and cop me my red eye. I'm doing this in my time, my motion. I ain't rushing. So if you guys do want to see that, man, you know what to do. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.